my birthday today and I would love to share with you a very special item I purchased for myself, which I have been hunting for a while now, and I am so glad to have her here with me. For those of you new here, hello, my name is Lokie and I love collecting Hermes bags and vintage luxury, so I warmly welcome you to subscribe if you haven't and join in the fun. And oh, do remember to click that bell too so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. Well, it is still really early in the year, and if you did recall, I had made a wish list video for this year and I was really hoping to score some classics, of which one of them would be an Hermes bag. And guess what? Look at this! Oh my! Alright! Let's do the unboxing. Okay, maybe you might like to pause the video and put your guesses in the comment section, and let's see if you got it right this time. So, here you go. And do you think you may be able to guess what it could be? What could it be? Drum rolls. Alrighty-o, so ta-da! This is my beautiful, she's a tri-colored Kelly in gold hardware in size 32, and isn't she gorgeous? And there are 3 stunning colors on this bag, which is why it is called tri-colored, and I feel they complement each other so well. We have the Rouge Cassade, which is the brighter red, there's the Rouge Orange and Caramel, and it is in the box cuff leather, which is a heritage leather, and I love it so much. This bag also comes with the double D rings, which for me is my first Kelly with double D rings. It also comes with the lock and keys and clochette, which I put it in there. I must say the condition of this bag is so close to new, and the box cuff leather is in such an amazing good condition. One day I shall do a comparison video showing you both my box cuff leather Kellys from different years, and you can see how they wear over the years if you're intending to get a box cuff leather bag for yourself. So what do you think about this bag? Isn't she beautiful? This tri-colored Kelly was purchased from a luxury pre-loved boutique and was not a planned purchase. However, I was kind of hunting for a horseshoe stem or something rare to add to my collection. Well, I could not be happier, as this time round I decided to visit a luxury reseller shop that I have never been before, and I spotted this bag tucked behind a few other bags, and she looked so gorgeous. Now let's talk about the Hermes horseshoe stem versus the Hermes tri-colored before I show you this bag in detail so you can appreciate it more. Well, there is not much information online about the Hermes tri-colored bag, but some resellers call it the vintage horseshoe stem and claim there isn't that horseshoe stem symbol back then, while others just call it the tri-colored Kelly. Of course, if any of you know more about the tri-colored Kellys and a bit of history about it, do let me know about it in the comment section below. And in my opinion, I feel that this is a true collector's piece and is very rare, especially with tri-color in the box cuff leather and in this condition. I have seen a few other tri-colored Kellys in different color variations, which are all equally stunning, and I will show you a few of these on the side here for your reference. However, I feel that the box cuff leather is such a delicate leather, and in the resale market, it would be better off seeing it in person to assess the condition. Well, compared to the Hermes horseshoe stem, the tri-colored Hermes Kelly does not have the horseshoe stem symbol, and I'll show you. So, over here, there you go. We should have the horseshoe stem symbol, but it is just the Hermes Paris made in France. So compared to the other HSS, the tri-colored Kelly does not have this stem symbol, and from what I see, Hermes still produces tri-colored Kellys today, just like this mini Kelly, but I can't say for sure if they still produce it in tri-colored box cuff leather. As for the Hermes horseshoe stem, which are only offered to VVIPs, and I'm sure some of you are as well, you lucky ladies, the specifications of the leather and color and size can be customizable even down to the stitchings based on the colors offered for that year and season. So I guess there is definitely that big difference between a horseshoe stem and a tri-colored Kelly bag, though from outer appearance it looks quite similar. Okay, right, now let's take a peek at my tri-colored Kelly, then we will talk about the styling of the video of this bag in the next video, maybe. Right, hi guys, so we're filming by the window again, what's new, and this is my tri-colored Kelly in size 32, and we have 3 colors of course. So we have the Roux, I think it's Roux Cassab and Roux Garons, and there's caramel, and if you zoom in you can see the contrast stitching, and amazing because in the video I actually had a twilly on here. So now without the twilly, let's zoom in, and without the twilly you can see, isn't it gorgeous? Like the handle looks so pretty in terms of the colorway. Does it not zoom in? Yeah, it's so gorgeous, right? So this is box cuff leather at its best, and I really love how beautiful and how amazing the condition is. Color wise, I mean there are a few like scarves just on the top here, but not many, to be honest, really not many. Hardware wise, let me zoom in. Actually there is real close to minimal scratching on the hardware. I love it. Probably I can do up a bit of all this the tarnish right there, but this is how it looks. Very nice. I love the colors, and if you notice about the contrast stitching, the color stitch here, they have used a contrast stitching as compared to the red here as compared to the other stitch here. And if we turn it on its side, it has more contrast stitching, so you can see that on the caramel there is the red contrast, and there is also on the inner tabs there is the more like a cray colored contrast stitch. So I think that's the beauty in the details for the tri-colored Kelly bag. So that's how it looks. And of course, yes, I'm not so organized today, but there is the double D ring, and it's in Cellier, if I forgot to mention that, because usually box cuff come in Cellier style. Well, I have seen a few come in retorn, but very rare. And this is the back, so this is how it looks from the back. It's really gorgeous though. So that's the Roux Cassab that stretches from the front all the way back. And then we have the 2 tabs of the sangles, which is in caramel, that goes around from the side, and then it attaches at the back. So that's how it looks. And of course, corners wise, actually there is almost really in good condition. I will flip it on its back, so let's have a look. Oh, nice. So corners, it's very well maintained, I must say. And then here, I mean probably a bit of scuffing there, and then it's gold hardware, and the base, which is also in caramel. And of course I will show you the interior. So now let's have a look at this bag on the inside. We have the Roux Cassab, which is the brighter red on the top, and that actually stretches all the way into the interior of the bag. Similarly, it also has that one zip pocket there, and also the 2 slip pockets on the front. The zipper tab is made in caramel leather, and we have the contrast stitching on the inside. Trust me, this box cuff leather is so new and so stiff, it is really hard to open it up easily. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's really new. Okay, so that's the bag. Now with the accessories, it came in full set, but of course this bag looks nothing like the other dust bag. So this bag is just a replacement that the shop found for me, which is not from its original set. And this is the shoulder strap, which is in caramel tone, and it's really gorgeous. I really don't think the first owner has used this bag at all. You can see it just feels amazing in terms of the quality and the hardware. Yeah, so it's very nice. Alright, and let's see what else is in this bag. So there is the clochette, which comes in the caramel tone, and I think it's Rue Cassat on the inside. So that's the red. Wow, it's gorgeous. So we have a bit of red peeping through there, and then the two keys. So just imagine if we pop it like this is how the bag is gonna look. But you know what, I am too lazy to put this on, so we're just gonna keep the clochette for now. And of course there is the lock, which is, I really don't think anybody uses this. I don't use the lock. Alright. Well, I am going to do a bit of a styling video for this bag, maybe in the next video, because I feel that the tricolor is so much easier to match. For example, I can match up the caramel tones or the burgundy tones of the bag to any outfit and make it work. Another fun fact about this bag is, do you know that Victoria Beckham also has this exact bag in the same color specifications? Funny thing is, hubby came with me on this shopping trip, and when we chanced on this bag, I told him just to quickly do some research on it, and the first few photos he found of the tricolored Kelly was with Victoria Beckham carrying it. Anyway, I really thank you for joining me today and sharing my birthday unboxing. This bag is really such an eye-opener for me, and I have yet to know more about tricolored Kellys, and I wonder if they also produce tricolored Birkins. It would totally make my day if you could like and subscribe and join my little corner, and I would love to see you guys back in my next few videos. Thank you once again, and have a blessed week, Queens, and goodbye!